Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about package card swiper. Copy package, then we open pubspec YAML, add information, then we open main.dart, update this file, add parameter debug show checked mode banner false, save. Remove comments. Then we add widget stack, children. Then we add widget constraint box, add box constraints, expand, add parameter child, image, asset, write assets, write background, write fit, box fit, dot fill, hot restart. Then we add widget swiper, item count we write 3, then we add item builder, write return, write image, asset, write assets, write index +1 dot png, write feed, write box feed dot contain, save. And we create iOS interface, and now we add parameter pagination, and we can look switch items, write swiper pagination, add margin, write edge insets from LTRB, left 0, top 0, right 0, 3T. Next parameter builder, add dot swiper pagination builder, write color, write colors dot white 3T, active color, colors dot white, add size 20, active size 20, save. Then we look next example. And we update images. And we use card, add widget card. And we add parameter viewport fraction 0.8. Add scale 0.9. Add widget sized box. Height 300, width 300. Add widget row. And we use box fit cover. And use widget clip rect, border radius circular 15 and 10. Next example, use layout swiper layout stack. Write parameter layout, write swiper layout dot stack, save, hot restart, and we add item width 300. Update item width. Next, use swiper layout Tinder. Add item height 400. Stack. Tinder. Tinder use opacity. Effect. Next, custom, and we add custom layout option. Start index -1. rotate count 3, and we add rotate minus 55, then 180, 0, 55, 180, then we add translate, right offset minus 370 and minus 40, offset 0, 0, offset 370 minus 40, add const, hot restart, this all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.